How to withdraw money from Kraken to bank account. If you want to withdraw money from Kraken to bank account, open up the Kraken application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Now, first of all, you also need to make sure that your identity is verified if you want to verify your bank account. So you can simply go to the verify identity option there, and once done, you'll be able to find the verify identity button. So once you've done that, you'll be able to simply enter your phone number and your legal details there and verify your account. Once you have verified your account, when you come to the portfolio tab and you own a certain amount of fiat currency, there you'll find the withdraw option as well. If you don't, then you won't find it, just like in my case. But if you do, then you'll definitely find the withdraw option there, from where you can select your bank account, select your fiat currency, and link your bank account to withdraw it to your bank account. So this way you'll be able to withdraw money from Kraken to bank account. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.